Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best SiriusXM is probably one of the most popular satellite radio services available, offering a vast array of channels covering music, news, sports, and entertainment, making it a compelling choice for anyone looking to enhance their in-car or home listening experience with curated content and ad-free options. Number 5. SiriusXM SXV300V1 Satellite Radio Tuner. Easily add the world of satellite radio to your existing car stereo. This tuner is compatible with any head unit that features the SiriusXM Ready logo. Activate your subscription and unlock a vast array of content. You'll get commercial-free music, plus exclusive sports, news, talk, and comedy programming. Never miss a moment with pause and rewind functionality for live satellite radio. You can even restart songs from the beginning on your favorite stations. Enhance your listening experience with vibrant visuals. Compatible color screens can display album artwork, channel logos, and background graphics. Get instant notifications when your favorite songs, artists, or sports teams are mentioned on other channels. Stay connected to what matters most to you. What we like. This tuner is for those who already have a SiriusXM Ready car stereo. If you want to add satellite radio seamlessly to your existing compatible head unit and enjoy features like pausing live radio and seeing album art, this is the one for you. If you like a clean, integrated look and want to control your listening experience, consider this option. What people say. The SiriusXM app is excellent and works flawlessly on my phone. The sound quality is great, and the variety of channels is impressive. I love the ability to stream SiriusXM anywhere, even without a car subscription. Number 4. SiriusXM Onyx EZR Satellite Radio with Vehicle Kit. Activate your device with the All Access plan to enjoy over 165 channels. You'll get ad-free music, plus sports, news, talk, and comedy. Save up to 10 favorite channels or create your own mix with TuneMix. You can also quickly jump back to the previous channel with one-touch jump. See what's playing on the 3.2-inch display. Use the split-screen mode to view other favorite channels simultaneously. Choose between white text on a black background or black text on white. This package includes everything for easy DIY installation in your vehicle. It features the radio, a vehicle dock, various mounts, power adapter, antenna, and cable routing accessories. Set up alerts to be notified when your favorite songs, artists, or sports teams are playing on other channels. The included tuner is designed for a clean installation, hiding behind your dashboard for a seamless look. It connects with a single cable and includes a magnetic mount antenna. You can also enjoy your favorite content at home with the optional home kit or take it anywhere with the portable speaker dock. What we like. This unit is perfect for users who want a dedicated satellite radio experience with advanced customization. If you enjoy creating your own music mixes from selected channels or want to quickly jump back to a previous station, this is a great choice. Its easy-to-read display makes it ideal for those who want clear information at a glance. What people say. The SiriusXM app is available on all of your favorite devices, including your phone, tablet, computer, and smart TV. SiriusXM offers a wide variety of channels, including music, sports, news, and talk shows. The sound quality of SiriusXM is excellent, and the programming is top-notch. Number 3. SiriusXM SXV300 Satellite Radio Vehicle Tuner. Easily add over 150 channels of exclusive music, news, sports, and more to your car. Experience a world of entertainment with this simple satellite radio tuner. Enjoy all that SiriusXM offers for as low as $5 per month. Plus, receive a $60 service card when you activate your subscription. Take control of your listening experience. You can pause, rewind, and replay ad-free music, news, sports, and comedy whenever you want. Discover advanced music features like TuneStart and TuneMix. Restart songs you missed or create a custom mix from your favorite channels. See album artwork, channel logos, and backgrounds come to life on compatible color screens. It enhances your listening with visual appeal. Get set up and listening in minutes with a simple, single cable connection. The compact tuner hides discreetly for a clean, integrated look. What we like. This tuner is designed for maximum convenience and value. If you're looking for a straightforward installation with a single cable connection and want to take advantage of introductory savings, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for those who want to quickly add SiriusXM to their car stereo without a complicated setup. What people say. The SiriusXM app is easy to navigate and has a wide variety of channels. The sound quality is excellent, and the reception is clear even in remote areas. The ability to stream on multiple devices simultaneously is a great feature for families. Number 2. VOFONO 9-inch antenna for Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator. This antenna is designed to perfectly fit your Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator models from 2007 to 2026. Enjoy a seamless integration with your vehicle. Crafted with premium metal and a durable rubber wrap, it's built to withstand the elements. You can count on it to resist fading, breaking, or chipping over time. Worry-free washing is here. This antenna is designed to handle both automatic and manual car washes without damage. It stays firmly in place, preventing any loosening. Experience enhanced AM/FM radio reception. It outperforms other low-profile antennas, ensuring you get a clear signal. Please note, it's not compatible with satellite radio or GPS. Get it installed in just 30 seconds, no tools required. Simply screw it on by hand for a quick and easy upgrade to your car's radio system. What we like. This antenna is specifically designed for Jeep owners looking for a robust and stylish replacement. If you have a Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator and primarily listen to AM/FM radio, this short, durable antenna is a great fit. It's car wash-proof and offers strong reception for terrestrial radio signals. What people say. The SiriusXM app is easy to navigate and has a wide variety of channels. The sound quality is excellent, and the reception is clear even in remote areas. The ability to stream on multiple devices simultaneously is a great feature for families. Number 1. SiriusXM Onyx Plus Satellite Radio SXPL1V1. Introducing the SiriusXM Onyx Plus. It's designed for simple DIY installation, allowing you to enjoy satellite radio through your existing car stereo. See everything clearly on its full-color display. It shows program and channel information, album art, and channel logos. Take your favorite channels with you. With just one subscription, you can enjoy SiriusXM at home, in the office, outdoors, or in other vehicles. Never miss a beat. This device lets you browse other channels while you're still listening to your current one. Everything you need is in the box. The included vehicle kit makes setup a breeze for immediate enjoyment. What we like. This is the ideal choice for those who want flexibility and a premium listening experience across multiple locations. If you want to easily move your SiriusXM radio between your car, home, or even outdoors with optional kits, this dock-and-play unit is perfect. Its full-color display with album art makes it a visually appealing option for any user. What people say. The SiriusXM app works great on my phone and computer. The sound quality is excellent, and the variety of channels is impressive. I love the ability to stream my favorite shows on demand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.